What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Forum 84 High in this cloud white and white tint colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffalux. Heffalux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material used for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort for your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which is linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So really depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of boots or for sneakers, there's going to be an insole for everybody. So I've been a proud paying customer of Heffalux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable and they really elevate the comfort on your shoes. So if you guys want to save 15% off your entire purchase, be sure to use the code SeanGo at checkout and be sure to tell them I sent you. So this is my latest Adidas pickup, and this is the Adidas Forum 84 High. These guys retailed for a price of $120 US or 160 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is cloud white, white tint, and glory green. So without going into too much of the backstory, the Adidas Forum is a shoe that debuted back in 1984, just in time for the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles. So this was Adidas' marquee basketball shoe throughout the mid to late 80s, and in the past year or so, Adidas has really been pushing this silhouette. So diving straight into the details, on the toe box, this is covered in this very pebbled white colored leather. We have this perforated finish across the toe box, and then surrounding the outer edge, we have another layer of pebbled white leather. And as you can see, this toe box has a beautiful shape, it's very sleek, and it doesn't have that awkward boxy shape to it at all. Covering the eyelets of the shoe, we have more of that pebbled white leather, and that same leather is used to construct the Adidas 3 stripes, which covers the side panels of the shoe. Moving downwards on the lateral side, we have this X-shaped cutout of leather, which is actually connected to the strap of the shoe, which covers the midfoot. And then pressed on the lateral side, we have the Adidas trefoil logo done in this metallic gold finish. If we compare this to the medial side, so the medial side is much simpler in comparison, and this is basically all covered in that same pebbled white leather. As for the strap, so again, this strap is connected to the lateral side of the shoe, and it's also constructed out of that same pebbled white leather. And the strap, while it doesn't really do too much from a functional standpoint, is adjustable through the use of Velcro. Moving downwards, we have this tan colored suede which covers the top portion of the back heel, and then in the middle, we have this triangular cutout of white pebbled leather which is done in this jagged finish, and debossed in the center we have the Adidas trefoil logo. And then wrapping around the bottom of the back heel, we have more of that tan colored suede, and then beneath this we have this tan colored TPU heel clip which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. For the laces, these come with these flat white colored laces, and unfortunately there's no other lace options. Underneath this, we have this white colored nylon tongue, which has a bit of a shiny finish to it. And at the very top of the tongue, we have this pebbled leather tag with the Adidas logo once again done in this metallic gold finish. For the insoles, so unlike the other Forum 84s that I've seen, this pair actually comes with a leather lined insole, and then pressed on the heel, we have the Adidas word mark done in this green colored finish. So the upper of the Forum sits atop this off-white vintage looking rubber cupsole, and incorporates the Adidas branding on the lateral side of the heel. But if you look at the midsole from the medial side, you'll see there's this cutout which exposes the EVA foam that's found within the midsole, and this is actually covered in what Adidas calls Dellinger web, and this is supposed to help with containing the foam, giving you added responsiveness. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, the outsole here is constructed out of this cream colored rubber. We have this large circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with this circular, almost suction cup looking traction pattern visible on both the forefoot and the back heel. And then running down the middle, we have this Adidas branding. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Forum 84 highs. And for those wondering how these fit, to me, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and the Forum to me fits me true to size. So I bought these in a size 10 and they fit me well. Just to give you guys a point of comparison, I feel like the Forum fits me slightly larger than an Air Jordan 1, but essentially whatever size you wear for the Air Jordan 1, I'd stick with that same size for the Forums. Moving on to comfort, this shoe isn't anything special from a comfort standpoint. This is a shoe from 1984, so the cushioning setup is very basic. It's just standard EVA foam underfoot, and the way I'd compare it is that it's sort of like an Air Jordan 1, except it is heavier, and it also feels clunkier on feet. But the underfoot sensation, even though there's no air in this shoe, it honestly feels pretty much the same. And last but not least, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship, this white pebbled leather they used was pretty decent, and in hand it feels like a nice genuine leather. And the tan suede used on the back of the shoe, I'd say that this was pretty average, so all in all, the material quality as a whole was solid. And then in terms of the craftsmanship of the shoe, I really had no problems with my pair at all. I felt like it was a very solid, well put together shoe from Adidas. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these forms and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Adidas has been putting out a lot of great colorways on this forum model. And for some reason, this colorway really spoke to me. I really love the neutral look of this shoe. It's a very versatile, very clean colorway. And I think the look of this vintage looking midsole and outsole complements this all white upper perfectly. I was actually able to grab these for a significant discount. I think I paid about $96, which is something like 40% off the Canadian retail. So I'd say if you do want a pair of these and you're okay with waiting, I'd probably suggest waiting for these to go on sale. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Adidas Forum 84 highs. What are your thoughts on this colorway? Is this something you think you would wear? Or are you not a fan of the Forum at all? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.